What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a car and the blower motor isn't working. Let's check it out. Ignition on. I'm gonna put the auto air on. We should be getting some kind of air blowing out of the vents, but we're not. I've already taken liberty to remove the glove box to get access to the blower motor and resistor. Another task for our trusted power probe, as we will be using it to help us diagnose the situation here with the blower motor. So I like to see if we have power directly to the item that is not working. I have the air turned on the dash. In theory, we should have power and ground. Power and power. We need power and ground for any component to work. On this particular system, I already know that the resistor provides ground to the motor and it controls the fan speed based on how much ground it gives the motor to control the output you want. So we'll be checking that next. Right here with the white cover, that's our blower motor resistor. We want to unplug that connector and see if we're getting power and ground to it. So we are getting power and we're getting ground to the resistor, which the resistor would transfer that ground to this wire, which would send it on to the blower motor to give us action and how much airspeed we want. So the resistor here is our problem. Looks pretty well worn and used if you ask me. We have a new blower motor resistor on hand, courtesy of Amazon, because I was not buying this from the parts store for 80 bucks. We were able to find it on Amazon for 17. Now with the new resistor installed, we have power and we have an active ground. So when we plug that in, blower motor is blowing. Now we can control the fan speeds as designed. Well, guys, I think our work here is done. So until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next repair.